God would have said it.
Bon Dieu t'a dit.
He said, without faith, it's impossible to please God. So, in this shaking that we are seeing now, we are seeing God revealing whose faith, if people have faith. You need to have faith, or let me put it this way. COVID came to test your faith. And write this down. Your faith is as strong as the tests and crises that survive.
La foi ou c'est même fort, même avec crise et toutes ces choses que vous passez là-dedans.
If you survive the pandemic,
si vous survivez pandémique,
your faith is that strong.
Ça veut dire la foi est forte dans l'état ça.
If you survive that marriage problem,
si vous survivez ce problème mariage ça,
your financial crisis,
crise financière,
your faith is that strong.
La foi ou des constats.
Lift your hands and say faith. Say faith.
La foi.
Say faith.
La foi.
Say faith.
La foi.
So faith is the initiating point.
La foi c'est point initiative là.
So God is not going to take you to the glory if you still don't know how to walk by faith. So the necessity of faith. Why we need faith in the times we are living in. I want you to write it down. The reason we need faith is because without faith,
sans la foi,
number one, without faith, we cannot believe God. I'm going to say it again. Without faith, we cannot believe God. Why the necessity of faith? Because without faith, we cannot believe God. In other words, you cannot believe God with education. You cannot believe God with tradition. You cannot believe God with your five senses. You cannot believe God with your sight, emotions, feelings, reason. Faith is the ability of God given to you to believe above and beyond the natural. Can you put value to her? I'm going to say it again. Faith is the ability of God given to you for you to believe above and beyond reason. It doesn't have to make sense for you to believe it. Let me put it this way. Let me put it this way. God said to you, open a business without money. That doesn't make sense. The God said to you, the doctor said, you're going to die. You got cancer. So it's beyond your reason. Faith is beyond science. Faith is beyond cancer. Faith is above and beyond your crisis. I said, shout amen. Shout somebody and tell him, I'm going to start moving by faith now. Somebody shout amen to that. So why the necessity of faith? Hebrews 11:6. You cannot believe God. You cannot believe God by your opinions, emotions, the wisdom of men. So what happened is this: the church has naturalized the faith. Meaning, it has to make sense for you to believe something. If it doesn't make sense to you, you say, I don't believe it. I'm going to challenge you tonight to believe above and beyond your reason. Science says 6 months to be healed, to recover. God says, by the stripes of Jesus, you are healed. So the question is, are you committed to believe God? I Say, are you believe? Are you committed to believe God?
Est-ce qu'on croit au bout de Dieu?
Tomorrow morning,
Demain matin.
tomorrow morning, you get up and you get up in the morning and say, God, I will believe you. It doesn't have to make sense to me. I believe God is a healer. I believe God is the same yesterday, today, and forever. He healed yesterday. He healed today. He healed tomorrow. Oh, somebody shout. Wow. Romans chapter 4 verse 3.
Romains 4 verset 3.
And God.
Et pour Dieu.
Romans 4:3. I don't know where's the verse.
Verset 3.
Romans 4:3. Look at that. And Abraham believed God. You cannot believe if you don't have faith. The faith you have as believer, no man gave it to you. That faith came from God. That is the only way to believe Him. So Abraham believed God. Abraham believed God. And God is saying to you, believe me. Believe me. Believe that I can heal you. Believe that I can deliver you. Believe that I can provide for you. Believe. Shout somebody. Over in the back. Say, I believe. I believe. Say, I believe healing. Say, I believe in the supernatural. I believe in healing. I believe in miracles. I believe in God. He is a supernatural God. He's an almighty God. How many of you believe? Release that shout in the atmosphere. I believe. I believe. I believe. I believe. Lift your hands. I believe. I believe. I believe my healing. I believe. I believe. I believe. How do you say it? Moi quoi?
I believe.
Moi quoi? Lift your hands. Say, moi quoi? Hey, I'm going to wake up your faith. I came here tonight to wake up your faith. You need to step up. Get up from the wheelchair. I said get up from the wheelchair. Get up from the wheelchair. Stop walking. Believe God. Believe God. Believe God for the next contract. Believe God for the next contract. Believe God for another promotion. Believe God for the next dimension. Our faith is supernatural. Turn around. Say, God, I believe. Turn around and shout. I believe. Show it about God. Wow. Come on. See, COVID hit you hard. It make you doubt. So many of you lost your faith, but you're returning to your faith. You're coming back to your faith. You're coming back to believe great. Wow. Touch your neighbor and tell us, I'm coming back. Say, I'm coming back. The moment I turn around, you need to be watching me all the time. Glenn, are you here? Why the necessity of faith?
Pour qui ça nécessité de la foi?
Because without faith,
Parce que sans la foi,
we can't believe
vous
God.
ne pouvez pas croire dans mon Dieu.
And Abraham believed God.
Et Abraham te croit
No matter what you're going through,
n'importe ça au passé,
believe God.
crois mon Dieu.
Don't look at your circumstances. Don't look at your crisis. Don't look at your sickness. Don't look at your problem. Look at God. Say, I believe. Wow. What's the song that came out in Kenya? I think this song is good here. The Lord gave us a minister to 2,000 pastors from all over Africa. They came to Kenya to be activated in the supernatural. After I went, 6 million people have received Jesus. I trained them to train their people. Just one pastor had a denomination of 10 million people.